What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with an actual tutorial, something that will help you in your makeup life. The reason that you guys followed me, I'm here with it. I'm saying that I've really dropped the ball, okay? And I've been really bad about getting tutorials up for y'all, but we're here, we're back, it's happening. So, that being said, today's tutorial is a foxy eye look. I've seen a lot of makeup artists working on this look, achieving this look, doing different versions of this look, so I kind of created my own version of it, showed you guys how to use lashes for this look, how to do the liner for this look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It'll be pretty short and simple and to the point, but anyways, again, it's super easy. It gives you more of like an elongated eye, more of an almond-shaped eye, a lifted appearance. So anyways, if you guys are interested in achieving this look or seeing how I achieved it, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you can. It helps me so much and I appreciate you. Follow me on Instagram if I didn't already say that. It's HairMakeupandMolly, and yeah, keep on watching. Alright, also to start out with this look, I'm going with the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. These are their pressed shadows. I absolutely love them. I'm going in with the shade Work It, and I'm using my Real Techniques brush, their Duo Fiber Eye Brush. Great for blending out shadows and creating a softer appearance, which is what we're going for. Starting at that outer corner, using that lighter color to really set the mood, if you will, for what we're doing, brushing all of this pigment upwards and creating kind of like a winged effect. Then I'm going in with a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. This is the JH37. It's a little more dense, and I'm going in with the shade West Side. It is just a darker version of what I was using before. You're always going to start with your lightest color and work your way to your darkest color. Again, keeping a super light hand and brushing this color upwards and winging it out. You're just going to be really soft with every motion. And then I'm going back in with that Duo Fiber brush and blending it out even more, just making sure that this is really seamless and soft and not too harsh. Next, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm taking the shade Smooth Criminal, which is just a deeper, warmer brown, and I'm using a more dense brush. This is from Urban Decay. It just came with the palette that I had, and creating a sharper wing with this color. With your deepest color that you're going to be using, you're going to use the smallest brush with that color. And then I'm going to go back in with that Dual Fiber brush, and I'm going to soften that line out just a little bit. So it's still going to have a little more pigment than the rest, but it's going to be a softer line, which is the ultimate goal. Then I'm going in with this Milani eyeliner. This is the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner, and I am going downward towards the inner corner of my eye and then just keeping a really small tight line by my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with these Kish lashes. I cut them in half. These are the Muse lashes. This is from their faux mink collection. And the reason I cut them in half is because that's going to enhance the more fox eye effect, elongating the end of my eye, because these are a fluffier lash. So it's going to create more of that appearance. So I'm going to use my natural lashes towards the front, and then that fake lash is going to wing out towards the end. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. This is where I'm really shaping out where I want that shadow to really land. I'm keeping it winged out pretty far up, way further up than I typically would towards my temple, just for the purpose of this specific eye look. And I'm just blending all of that concealer out with an Echo Tool sponge. That's my favorite sponge. And then I'm going in with the Pro Contour palette by Frankie Rose. I absolutely love this palette for highlighting under the eyes. I use more of their banana shade in that palette and the lighter shade in that palette to set under my eyes. Then I'm going back in with the Sweet Talk palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade West Side for under my eyes, and I just used that smaller Urban Decay brush again to smoke out my under eye. And then we're going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. This is the Full Phantom Effect mascara, and I absolutely love it for under the eyes. Then I'm going in with the Do You by Too Faced powder. This is a translucent powder, but it does have a dewiness to it, a more glowy appearance. So I'm just taking a little bit of it under my eyes and then just on the top of my nose. It just looks a little more fresh. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Forever pressed powder. This is their Matte Velvet Skin pressed powder in the shade Y335. And I'm just setting my foundation with that. Then I'm going in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. And I'm going to sculpt out my cheekbones with this. I absolutely love this bronzer for more of a glowy look. I actually use this bronzer day to day, every day. It's so good, and I like reach for it before I reach for some of my higher end bronzers most of the time. It's just so beautiful on the skin. So I'm going underneath the cheekbones, and then I'm going to go through my temples here and really just carve out where I want my natural shading to be on my face. And having a little dance party, apparently. All right, girl, come on. Come on, sister. All right, so we are using the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. You guys always see me use this for highlighting, contouring. It's so good. I'm also going to take this bronzer underneath of my chin here just to prevent any double chins throughout the day. And then I'm going to go in with this brush from Morphe. It's just like a fluffy brush from an eye collection that I got from them, and I'm using this on the sides of my nose with bronzer to create a more slender nose and to give a little more color to the center of my face. And then I'm going to go in with California blush from Benefit. I absolutely love this blush. It is so pretty. I take that all the way up my cheekbones just to create more color and to create that more lifted effect that we're going for. Then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Extra. This highlight is so beautiful. The brush that I'm using to apply it is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush in JH06. I love this brush. It creates more of a natural highlight. It's still like a bright highlight, but it just helps to blend it out really nicely. Then I'm going in with a NYX, I almost said eyeliner. It is a lip liner. I'm going in with this shade Nude Truffle, and I absolutely love their lip liners. They're so good for such an affordable price. I hate to spend too much money on eyeliners or lip liners because I feel like I go through them so quickly that I don't get my money's worth out of them. So I love that these lip liners in particular are super affordable and they last throughout the day. So can't really ask for more than that. So I'm just carving out my lips with this, slightly overlining, but not too much. And then I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin. Again, this is just a really pretty shade. I love his formula. It smells so good also, which I love. And it goes on the lips so nicely. They last so long. They're not too drying for a liquid lip. His formula is absolutely incredible. And this shade in particular is so pretty and like a perfect nude. I'm going to let this dry down a little bit, and then once it dries down and after I have a dance break for the millionth time, I'm going to go in with the gloss from Jeffree Star. Again, love his gloss formula as well. It also smells amazing. Molly, okay, stop dancing and put your lip gloss on. Come on, sister. You got this. Your lips are dry. What are you doing? Okay, thank you. All right, so we're going in with the gloss in the shade Control Freak. It's just like a baby pink gloss. I love to put a baby pink gloss over any nude lip because I just like a little bit of pink just to bring me some color. It favors my skin tone quite a bit, so that's why I always go with a more baby pink look. All right. Like, honestly, what was I doing? All right, so then I'm going to go in with the Set and Refresh Setting Spray by Morphe Jeffree Star. It is so beautiful. It smells like strawberries. I love it. And what I mean by it's so beautiful, it has the most gorgeous finish. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you did, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys the next time. Thank you for watching.